Greetings, young men. This is Principal Kafele with a quick message on not giving up on your dreams. Once again, not giving up on your dreams. You know, when I think back on my own career, being where I am right now, as an educator, as a speaker, young men, this thing just didn't happen overnight. Oh man, so much trial and tribulation. So many challenges, so many obstacles in my path. But I had a dream. And the dream was that I would one day be this national and international speaker, having the opportunity to speak to audiences all over the world. So despite those challenges, despite those obstacles, I didn't give up on it. I stayed focused. I did what I had to do. And now here I am. So I'm saying to you the same thing. Think about your dream. Are you committed to your dream? Are you dedicated to your dream? Have you taken ownership of your dream? Then I'm saying to you, if you have, if you're committed to it, you're dedicated to it, you've taken ownership of it, then let me tell you, let me be the first to tell you, if may be, that yeah, there are going to be challenges to fulfilling that dream. There are going to be obstacles in your path. There are going to be distractions along the way. There may even be some temptations there. But I'm saying to you, if you're committed to your dream, if you are dedicated to your dream, if you have taken ownership of your dream, I mean, this is your dream, so you got to own this thing, then I'm saying to you that you can't give up on it when the going gets tough. That's the time to rise up higher. That's the time to get stronger. That's the time to get bolder. That's the time to become that much more committed and dedicated, not the time to back off, to give up, to change directions, to turn around, to quit. That's not the time. If you want it bad enough, if you're that passionate about it, if this is really something that you see yourself doing, your dream, then nah. You don't quit. You don't give up on it. You don't back down. You buckle down. You tighten up. And then you fight that much harder to make that dream your reality. Don't give up on your dream. Because just as you had conceptualized this dream becoming something big one day when it was nothing, well, it still can. But if you give up on it, you will never know what it could have been. It'll be somebody else's dream now. It'll become somebody else's reality now. They'll be living your dream because they were committed to it a little bit more than you were. The going got tough and you backed down, you quit, you gave up, you threw up your hands. But the next person, they said, nah, I'm gonna make this thing my reality. I'm not giving up. I'm not throwing up my hands. I'm gonna fight that much harder. I'm gonna plan that much better. I'm going to dig that much deeper, but I'm going to get it done. And now here they are living your dream when it was your dream to start with. So young man, don't give up. Don't quit. Live your dream. And when the going gets tough, you get tougher, but you make that dream your reality. This is Principal Kafele. Thanks for listening. Peace.